How to watch Netflix in TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can watch Netflix on your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been thinking about watching Netflix on your TV, it's actually very simple. In most of the Android TV these days, the Netflix app is already pre-installed by default. But if it is not installed by default, you can go to the app section, and in the search button, you can simply go ahead and then basically search for Netflix. So let me also go ahead, Netflix. Once you search for Netflix, you should be able to go ahead and basically find the Netflix app and download it. And once you've went ahead and downloaded it, now you can open the Netflix app over here. And then you want to make sure to simply sign into your existing account. Once you sign into your account, you should be able to go ahead and then watch Netflix on TV. But remember that your plan that you see on Netflix also must have included a TV plan, because if you have a mobile plan, it is not going to work on TV. So that's the thing you want to understand. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.